Hello students, in this particular session we are going to talk about a zero order reaction. We have seen rate of a chemical reaction is depends on the concentration of a reactants. But there are some reaction in which rate of a chemical reaction do not depend on the concentration of reactants, or we can say rate of reaction or speed of reaction is independent of the concentration of a reactants, or in other words rate of the reaction is proportional to zeroth power of the concentration of reactants. Anything to the power 0 means it is 1, so it is independent of the concentration of the reactants. Okay, so I'll define, or we can say rate of the reaction is directly proportional to zeroth power or 0 power of the concentration of reactants, and such reactions are called zero order reaction. Okay, order of the reaction is 0. So consider a hypothetical reactant converting into product. So I'll write the rate equal to K into molar concentration of reactant to the power 0. So I mean rate of the reaction is proportional to the 0th power of molar concentration of R. Okay, so anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So before that we can express rate as decrease in concentration of a reactant divided by time taken. So we can define rate of the reaction. So in the reaction, as time proceeds, concentration of reactant decreases. So we can represent speed of reaction or rate of reaction as decrease in molar concentration of reactant divided by dt. That is equal to K is rate constant into anything to the power 0 means 1. Okay, anything to the power 0 means 1. So minus d concentration of R divided by T into K. Okay, so I'll shift dt to the right hand side and minus to right hand side. Rearrange this reaction. So is equal to minus K into dt. So now on integration, okay, so we will get molar concentration of R is equal to minus K into T plus I. Okay, how we got? So integration of d of R equal to R, or we can write anything, integration of any derivative term, for example dt gives t. Okay, so I have written integration of d of molar concentration of R is R, and minus K is a constant, we write as it is, and integration of dt is t, and I is integration constant. Okay, now we have to find out the value of I. How to find out value of time? By taking time t equal to 0, means at initial stage t equal to 0. At initial stage at t equal to 0, concentration of R equal to R naught. Okay, at t equal to 0, concentration of R equal to R naught. So if you substitute these two values in this equation, I'll write this equation as 1. Okay, substitute the values in equation 1. Okay, so I'll get, in place of R, molar concentration of R, I'll put concentration of R naught, and in place of T, I'll put 0. Okay, so equal to minus K into 0 plus I. Anything is multiplied by 0 equal to 0 plus I, and it is as it is. Okay, so we get I is equal to R naught. So we got the value of I. So now what we have to do? We have to substitute this value in this equation. Okay, substitute the value of I in equation 1. Okay, so now molar concentration of R equal to minus K into T plus R naught. Okay, so by rearranging this equation, KT, I'll shift KT to another side, which is equal to, and shift this another side, so this becomes a negative here, so I'll write R naught first and minus R. Okay, so if you want K, so you can write R naught minus R divided by T. Okay, T. So if you want the value of if you want to know time, then shift K to here and as it is. So that equation will be T equal to R naught minus R divided by K. Okay, so this is the equation. So now our equation of zero order reaction is equal to minus KT plus R naught, right? So this equation is similar to the equation of straight line. So that is y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the equation of a straight line. Okay, this is the equation of a straight line. This is similar. So where m is slope and that is equal to here minus K. Okay, C is the intercept, so that is equal to R naught. Okay, so if you plot the graph of concentration of reactant versus time, okay, so here concentration of reactant, here time. Okay, so as time passes, time increases like this. Okay, as time passes, initial concentration of the reactant will be high. Okay, as reaction proceeds, concentration of reactant decreases. Okay, as time passes, concentration of reactant decreases and slope equal to minus K, and intercept is R naught. Okay, intercept is R naught. So this is all about zero order reaction. So I can give the example of so this kind of reaction actually rare. Okay, I can give the example of decomposition of ammonia. Decomposition of in presence of a platinum catalyst at temperature 1130 Kelvin. So ammonia decomposed into nitrogen molecule and hydrogen molecule. Okay, so this is also gaseous. So at high pressure, so at normal pressure, in the normal condition, the reaction takes place and ammonia decomposed into nitrogen and hydrogen molecule on the surface of platinum metal. At high pressure, this nitrogen molecule and hydrogen molecules gets saturated, or means, or in other words, metal surface, platinum metal surface gets saturated by nitrogen and hydrogen molecule. Saturated means no more ammonia can be converted into nitrogen and H2 molecule. Okay, so saturated stage means a stage where no more ammonia can be decomposed into nitrogen and hydrogen. So now the amount of ammonia will be same. Okay, even if we change or even if we alter the reaction condition, concentration or amount of ammonia is same. Okay, so in this stage at this stage the reaction is in the zero order, or we can say, so the reaction will be in the stage of zero order. Means here the rate of reaction does not depend on the concentration of ammonia. Okay, so because the metal surface is already saturated with the nitrogen and hydrogen gas molecule, so even if we change the concentration, the rate of reaction does not change. Okay, so here we can write rate equal to K into molar concentration of ammonia to the power 0, means zero order reaction. As anything to the power 0 means it is 1, so we can write rate equal to K. K means rate constant. Okay, so in the next video we will study about first order reaction.